Silence is revenge. Regret hits hard. He misses you. Silence is not weakness. Silence is not giving up. Silence is not losing. Silence is what happens after you finally choose yourself. And right now, your silence is doing something you don't even realize yet. It is echoing inside his mind. It is disturbing his peace. It is forcing him to feel everything he tried to avoid. Because when you stopped explaining, when you stopped chasing, when you stopped asking for clarity, that's when the regret began. At first, he thought your silence was temporary. He told himself, "She'll be back. She always comes back." He believed your absence was just another phase. But days passed, and then nights passed, and still no message, no call, no reaction. That's when confusion turned into discomfort. Because silence doesn't argue. Silence doesn't beg. Silence doesn't defend itself. Silence lets the truth speak. And the truth is, he expected you to stay no matter how little he gave. He expected you to understand his distance, his coldness, his inconsistency. He expected your patience to be unlimited. But something changed. You changed. And that's what scares him the most. When silence replaces emotions, there was a time when he knew exactly how to reach you. A word, a smile, a late-night message. You responded. You cared. You explained yourself. And now, nothing. No reaction to his posts. No response to his indirect signals. No emotional availability. That's when regret starts creeping in. Quietly, slowly, painfully. Because silence gives him space. And in that space, memories get loud. He remembers how you listened when no one else did. How you supported him when he was unsure of himself. How you believed in him when he didn't believe in himself. And now that presence is gone. That's when the thought hits him. Did I lose someone who genuinely loved me? Why silence hits harder than words. Words can be ignored. Arguments can be dismissed. Tears can be manipulated. But silence can't be controlled. Silence forces self-reflection. Silence removes distraction. Silence leaves him alone with his choices. He starts replaying conversations in his head. Moments where he could have tried harder. Times he pulled away instead of stepping closer. And suddenly, the ego that once protected him starts breaking down. Because now, he has to sit with one terrifying question. What if she never comes back? The power shift he didn't see coming. Here's the truth most people never talk about. When you stopped reacting emotionally, you took your power back. You didn't announce your departure. You didn't threaten to leave. You didn't create drama. You simply became unavailable. And that's when the balance shifted. Because he was used to being the one in control. The one who decided when to give attention. The one who knew you were always there. Your silence removed that certainty. And uncertainty is unbearable for someone who thought they had you figured out. He misses you. But not just you. He doesn't just miss you. He misses how important he felt around you. How understood he felt. How safe his ego was with you. How you made effort feel effortless. And now, without you, he feels the absence of emotional comfort. Because no one replaces a genuine connection easily, especially not someone who loved deeply and quietly. The regret that comes too late. At night, when distractions fade, that's when regret becomes loud. He wonders, why didn't I communicate better? Why did I take her presence for granted? Why did I assume she'd always wait? And here's the hardest part for him to accept. You didn't leave to punish him. You left to protect yourself. Your silence is not revenge by intention. It's revenge by consequence. Because now he feels what you felt. Ignored, uncertain, emotionally alone. Why you must not break the silence. If you're listening to this and feeling tempted to reach out, pause. Silence is doing the work you couldn't do with words. Every day you don't chase, he thinks a little more. Every day you don't explain, he feels a little more. Every day you stay silent, your value increases, not because of manipulation, but because absence reveals importance. Let him sit with the loss. Let him face the reality. Let him understand what your presence truly meant. Because real regret doesn't come from confrontation. It comes from absence. Final message. Silence doesn't mean you don't care. It means you care enough about yourself to stop begging for clarity. If he misses you, he will feel it. If he regrets losing you, he will realize it. If he truly values you, his actions will show it. Until then, let your silence speak. Let your absence teach. Let your peace be louder than your pain. Because sometimes, the strongest message you can send is no message at all. Welcome to Psychology Fact. If you're curious about the hidden truths of the mind and heart, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss a fact that could change the way you see life.